a boat revival that nobody watched. Thanks to that. I don't know what's going on with YouTube right now. I'm very upset about it, actually. I put a lot of time and effort, well, not a lot of time, but I put a lot of effort into that boat revival. And that was totally a charity thing anyway. I mean, I did that just to be nice and help the lady out, because she'd have a real hard time selling it like it was. So I was trying to, be a decent person and film a video out and maybe recoup some of my costs, for doing my, what I did. But yeah, I don't foresee that happening. Whatever. It's discouraging to say the least, and this, I don't know. This may be one of my last videos, to be completely honest with you. I picked this motor up for the push mower I took the one off of. Let me see it or not, but down here, I don't know if you can see it, tell it or not, but the gasket is sucked into the block. This thing has a massive oil leak. And when I say massive, I mean like massive. So I went and got some, because I was out, some gasket maker, and I'm going to pop that bottom plate off. Or not, I don't know if I'm going to take it all the way off or not, but that's all the oil left in it. It was all over the table. And I noticed this thing was real oily when I picked it up, and I cleaned it. It didn't look like this when I got it. I cleaned it, and I wonder where all the damn oil came from. Well, now I know. So, I don't know. It's be a nice little learning experience, I guess. It's got there's one bolt here for the dipstick tube. It's not that size. Which, why would it be? Because that would be stupid. And so basically, per sort of request, I guess if you want to call it that, a subscriber, at least I think he's a subscriber, better be. Anyway, asked me about if I would do a video and actually in depth of doing a motor swap on a push mower. I guess he has one or something like that, and I said sure, no problem. And of course I'm not going to the right size of it, because why would I? Because that would make my life just a little too freaking easy, and Lord knows we can't have that. I swear to God, if I wouldn't have bad luck, I'd have none. Jesus Christ almighty. As I was saying, if it weren't for bad luck, I'd have none at all, period. Nada. I'm hoping that I can just pop the bolts loose and knock the bottom cover off and just put some gasket maker on it. I don't know how the thing got sucked up in there though. That's kind of weird. The motor ain't been rebuilt. At least from the looks of it. I mean, it looks like it's all, I don't think it's ever a part. Besides, who rebuilds push mower engines? Not I. This thing was already off of whatever it was on when I picked it up yesterday. I picked this up in 2 tires for the front of that rod mower in there that I'm putting together, which is a different video, but you'll see this video first because I'm doing this one first. And I've got this thing stripped. When I say I have this mower stripped, you'll see. I took it down to nothing because I also had a couple cracks in the deck that I fixed. 2 in the front, 1 on the side. I think it was just 3. I'm pretty sure it was just 3. But I fixed all those, so it's good. Oh, you son of a bitch. Who didn't know this was going to happen? God bless America. Oh boy, I tell you what. Testing my patience today. And the bad part is too with this particular motor, and I don't really care for it. It's kind of stupid. What the hell is going on here? It there. You can't take, well, you can take the cover off, but you can't take it off without taking the pull cord handle off, which is a knot. And I've already cut it once and re-knotted it. Plus I had to fix the recoil on because the recoil was screwed up. So that was fun. Yeah, and I haven't even heard it run. I don't even know if it does run. Turns over, you know, with the pull cord. Other than that, I don't know. I half-assed went to the carburetor on it while I was sitting here earlier. This is when I discovered that massive oil leak. So, I don't know. So I picked it up. I noticed there was just a lot of gook all over it. And I didn't know, you know, maybe I thought maybe it was where it was sitting, or it was in a spot with some other stuff and it was oily. No, it was this. And at first I thought it was coming out of the cylinder, like where the head meets, or the head gasket was leaking, but it's not that. It's that lower, I don't know if you want to call that oil pan gasket, maybe? I don't know. What you want to call that? It might be an oil pan gasket. I don't know. Either way. See, you didn't come out. Stupid. No damn sense. At all. I know that ain't the right size. I just thought that was really dumb that it's like that. It was so dumb. For real. This thing ain't on. Sorry about that. I had to make sure that, because my GoPro, I'll set it to different, you know, recording sizes. Either, you know, the 16 by 9 or 9/16 for, you know, 9/16 for shorts, obviously. And sometimes I film shorts with that camera. Not very often, but I do. Sometimes. That cover looks balls like this. Oh well, it is what it is. Newts. Is that the right size? Of course not. We have to have 300 different sizes on this POS. Yeah, we do. It's so good. Good gracious. That's it. I think in theory, this cover just pops off. But don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. We'll find it out together. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. I'd actually go around and tighten these bolts a little bit because they weren't loose, but you know what? This is stupid. This is stupid. Why am I doing this when I have this? See, that's ignorant. Work smarter, not harder. Dummy. Guess they're all the same size. We'll find out, won't we? Everybody talks shit about old poor O'Reilly tools. I'm gonna tell you what, they do me just fine. It's really, there's only like 2 major companies. Now I don't know about, well, I say major. Like, I'm sure you can get some Chinese Temu shit that's not made. That's probably made somewhere else, maybe. But all your like DeWalt, Milwaukee, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Ryobi, I might have already said that. They're all made by either Black & Decker or I can't remember the name of the other one. Something Technologies or some shit. They're all made by the same people. Different divisions, mind you. But nevertheless, same people. Now the bolts in there. Looks like it. See they... No, don't need it. Might have to get a rubber mallet. Or just a regular hammer. Whatever comes first. Yep. Well, they weren't even better. Yeah. Should have found the rubber mallet first. Would have been alright. But I didn't. So we got this. Hope I don't tear up that seal. What's going on down here? I can't see. There's a gasket. I'd like not to tear that, if at all possible. Like I just did. You're gonna get Permatex tip. It's broke. Well, the gasket's fucked up, but whatever. Oh shit. What the hell was that? I don't know. I'm gonna go that way. I don't know. Where'd that go? Might be important. Where the hell did that go? I don't know what the hell that is. You going here? I'm going with it goes in there. What it does, I have no idea. But that's where it's going. Or I don't know. Maybe it was in here. Oh, put that back. Oh, that's the cam. Oh shit. Okay. Hopefully that's in time. Didn't move too far. However, it did. Looks like it moved. Well, I don't know. It's weird. My nose itches. It's all the way upside down. There we go. What's up with that thing? I guess it fits up in here. Right? Sure. But for what? I don't know what that does. Is that like a oil pump? Sure. I thought there'd be a... Oh, I see. No, there isn't. I thought there'd be a timing mark on that thing. But there's not. That's down there. But I wonder if I got the damn timing off now. See, here's that gasket. It's all jacked up. It's all pinched and shit. I don't know how that happened. I mean, it doesn't look like it's ever been on park before. I really wonder if I got this thing out of time now. I'm going to have to look up and see how it goes in time, because I don't know. And I don't see any marks on this little crank here that I can see. I don't know what this little rod does either. Very interesting. Nor do I know what that thing does. It might be the governor gear, maybe. I thought there'd be a little dot on this crankshaft here, you know? Because that would make sense. Oh, well, yeah, there is, right there. I'm assuming they probably got to be put together. Would that be a fair assessment? Got the spark plug in the thing. I'll probably take it out so I can make sure it's in time. I don't think it got knocked out of time, but I don't want to put it back together and find out, oh, it's not in time now, because that would seriously suck. So bad. That would really upset me a lot. Well, it might be a tooth hole, actually. Because it doesn't want, well, I don't know. I'm going to look it up, and I'll be right back. Before you is a push mower. Yeah, we're gonna put it together because this is the one I took the motor off of, but I got another motor for it. Also the one that I had to replace the well, not replace, but you see the goopy goop down there. I'm still baffled as to why that was like that. I don't know how a gasket got pinched right there, or I don't know. It's weird because it's not like, you know, people don't fix shit like they used to. You know what I mean? Like, everything nowadays made to be such a throwaway. So to recap, what do? We stripped it. This is what a bare push mower pan looks like. I welded it there, and there. And I think that's it. Painted it. That red sucked. That red I got, no good. It's like transparent red. Why did I turn that around? I don't know. So we're gonna make it a roller. A roller. I know what I have. We're gonna turn it back into a roller. I'll get it back on the table. We'll just add a motor on it. And yeah. The bad part is, I did all reseal into that motor and stuff. I don't have any idea if that motor even runs. No clue. I've never tried to start it. Nothing. So I really don't know. It could be a shit show, and y'all are here for it. Y'all are going to be here for it. So stay tuned for that. This just slips down over the. There's like little things they kind of flop into, and then they'll line up with the bolt holes, and everything will be just dandy. Maybe. Let me POS. There we go. There's like little pockets in there. It holds it. There's a ton of these little things in this goddamn box. There's too much shit in this box. I was, you know, working on this and that rod mower at the same time. So. Beep. Oh, I'm filming. Don't just start beeping. Actually, that's probably my daughter. I've been chatting back and forth today. My oldest daughter. Let's see, where the hell? Well, there's two of them anyway. Jammed them things in there. This is, was it 1, 2, I think there's 6 in this back pan of these, I'm pretty sure. But what I was saying was, I don't have any idea if that motor even runs. It had a massive oil leak. I never did try to, I haven't tried to start it off the thing or whatever, because that's a pain in the ass. I'm hoping it runs, because if it doesn't, it's going to suck. But I mean, probably be par for the course. I don't know. I hope it runs. If it runs fine, though. Because, see, I mean, that thing had a massive oil leak. When I say massive, I mean, I was just leaning on its side and it was just dumping. Which, you know, you don't ever want that. That's just not fun. Oh, Jesus God. Again, always when I'm filming. So annoying. How rude. I'm a dog lover, but I'm gonna tell you what, I don't love that one. That's the most annoying son of a bitch. And it's all the time, dude. Like, just like, why are you barking, you little bastard? For no reason, just to bark. I'll put that on there for safekeeping. It's rare to actually get them with those on there. That's 2 now that I've had them. That's when I upgraded that too, if you remember. Kind of neat. That's a neat, which is a stupid word. Fall off there then. Dick. I don't really like how they go. Am I using the right bolts for that? Hold on. Yeah, I have to be. Because there were 6 of them and I have 6. That's a motor mount bolt. That's a motor mount bolt. That's a motor mount bolt. Hold on. I don't know if I'm doing that right or not. Yeah, I had the wrong bolts in it. But I rectified that situation. No problem. If I remember right, this thing was kind of a dick to get off here. Maybe. It's like it's a little slot there. There we go. It says slots and slots into. There we go. I don't remember how many bolts was in the damn thing. A few. There we go. Now this one takes these smaller ones. Maybe not. No, we take the bigger ones. The big ones have like a Torx on them. The smaller ones have, yeah, that's what it is. That's what I'm going with anyway. Here. I think. It might be a small one that goes right there, I don't know. Okay, fine, don't go in there, dick. That one goes there. What the hell am I doing here? Is this... I know the top or upper piece and stuff has the other one in it. Shit, man, I can't know which goes where now. It's been so damn long. So I think all these go into that. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Maybe this would be, I don't know. I'm so confused. I thought these went in there. I really don't remember now. Because there's only 6 on the backside there. Might have to pull up a damn diagram because I forgot. Because I'm an idiot. Is there... There was a cover that went there. Which I don't... That's in there, so that's in the shed somewhere. And you have this one mofo right here. Which that's... not a big one either. No, very interesting. I believe this one goes right here. Yeah, that's the that one goes. That's that. And that one on the other side. We got a lot of hidden bolts in this thing that are hard to find. And that I just, you know, it's been like a week almost now, and I just forgot. Okay, just forgot. I really want to say those are the small ones. These are these ones. The small ones are right there. Pretty sure. We're going there today anyway. Yeah. And the very end, there's a hole right there, but it don't go. Oh yeah, it does too. It go from the backside. Maybe. Oh, maybe that's what it was. Yeah. There's some holes that come into the backside here. It's got these big ones in it. That's right. I remember now. At least I think I remember now. Come on, you bastard. Get lined up in there. There we go. There's one. There's a... Yeah, alright. Another one. I'll get you lined up in there somewhere. Be nice. Now, normally speaking, you wouldn't have to take all this shit apart. I mean, well, if you had to do some welding, I would recommend it. Just because, you know, you're liable to melt shit otherwise. And nobody wants that. Not when you're trying to fix it anyway. Shit don't line back up like it's supposed to. Because I will say, it is an asshole lining all this crap back up. Shit. There's that one. Cool. This middle one's just being a jerk off. Big plastic piece of... Never mind. Come on, you son of a bitch. And there's nothing to grab to on this thing to help you do anything. Come on, you son of a bitch. Grab something, shit. What an asshole. It gets on my damn nerves. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's gotta go up. That's the problem. I had to go up. At least I think. Yeah. I had to go up. That's what it's feeling like anyway. Or not. Let's see if we get this piece of shit going on. I'll be right back with you. Alright. I had to find some other bolts and stuff, but anyway, we got it. So, put the front axle in. Belt is on there. The guard thing is on there. Cable's on there. Which is probably going to be in my way a lot. What I don't like about this thing is the fact that this axle won't stay here. Well, there's supposed to be a clip in there, but I don't know where that thing's long gone. It was gone before I got it. This is really the only thing that holds the whole damn thing together. So, you kind of got to put it on there. Which is fine, I guess. I mean, it's, yeah, that's what it is. Alright, being weird. Get in there. Thanks. What are you holding up on, you dirty bastard? Something's holding up. Don't know what it is, but it is something. I'll put this ball right here. Oh, I don't think it's sitting. No, is it sitting right? I guess it's sitting right. Yeah, I guess it's sitting right. It's supposed to be. I don't know. Acting kind of goofy. Goes down that little slot right there. There's that side. I think that's that side. There's 2 bolts in the top here in the back. I think I went over all this once before. I'm pretty sure I did, but whatever. Get here to get, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's right. I don't know. But see, right now it's all the way. The wheels are all the way up to the highest level, so it makes it look so weird, I guess. I don't know why it just looks funny to me. But then again, I look funny to me, so there you go. Drop that one down. Shit. That's the right one. Extension. Extensions. I need to go get an air filter for this thing too, because I don't have one. Because it disintegrated. I don't know if I filmed it or not. Hopefully. I mean, it's pretty bad. But, this goddamn thing here, boy. May drive me fucking crazy. Yeah, it just kind of deteriorated. Cool. That goes in there like that. You tip it back. All the way back. Without knocking everything off the table. That would be fantastic. Alright, now. All these stupid ass bolts on the bottom, and there is a few. You got 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, 5. Something like that. It's like 5. I'm pretty sure it's 5. And that's basically what holds the axle in there. For the most part. Anyway. It is right there. There's a foot above it. And there's one right in the middle. After it falls off, because it's an asshole, then you dig it back out. Then you drop it on the table and fucking hits the ground, but you don't care because you got another one in your hand. And this one falls to fall out. And you about to lose your fucking mind because you're just tired of the bullshit. Yeah, that's about right. Then it gets stuck and you really freak out because it's stuck but not stuck, but it is stuck. And it's in a stupid fucking spot because I don't know why. Because just ignorant people made it, I guess. That's what I'm calling it. Oh great, it's not even, camera's not even pointing at the goddamn thing. That's even better. Oh man. I'm having trouble, y'all. I'm having trouble. I'm having big trouble. Can't get my shit together. Cannot get my shit together, man. Don't know why. Oh yeah, I got it covered down there too. Eat a dick. Eat a whole bag of dicks. Then you have 2 right here. So I'm missing one somewhere around here. This one. Okay. I need one more screw. I made it out and it's not gonna totally offend me if I don't have it. It's not that big a deal. Oh, look, a roller. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time looking for it. If I find it, if I find it. If I don't, oh fucking. I don't care. I don't know. I'm sure it'll turn up somewhere. So now we can jam that motor on here. Come on. Which, one thing about, I am missing one motor mount bolt, and I don't know why. I've searched high and low for that damn thing, and I don't know where it is. It's really bothering me, actually, because I don't know where it went. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's only had 3. 1, 2, 3. Never mind. I'm not missing a motor mount bolt. For some reason, I thought this had 4, but it doesn't. It only has 3. So you take your motor, stick it on there to those motor things, just like so. And one thing about these is, and I've said this before, they are, for the most part that I have seen thus far, are universal. Meaning that they all have the same mounting patterns and stuff. So, essentially, you just, they're all made by MTD. I don't care what anybody tells you. Unless it's some commercial shit or something, but, what am I doing here? Oh, man, I'm wrong hole. Dumbass. This fucker's calling me now. Sorry, don't answer 1-800 numbers. I'm not winning today. No winning. It used to be these had 4 in them, like the like your rod mowers. They'll have 4. But not this one. It's starting to look like something again already. Looks pretty good, all painted up and shit. It was, remember, it was red, and then when that nasty ass red, it looked like ass. Oh shit! So we got rid of that. It looked like butt. There's a damn hole in it. Well, that's empty. Oh, it's not. It's right here. Get over here. Come here. There we go. Oh, you can't fall down. Go nowhere. I don't know why they gotta make all funny sounds with their sirens. There's a spacer that goes on this other bolt, but I had it just now, and now it's not here. Get off my hand. Where'd you go? There you are. I found Mr. Spacer. Once I get it all tightened in, I'll tip it back. Oh shit. I'll tip it back again and get everything right. There we go. Get on there. So that's that. I think those were 5/8, I think. Figures. That one might be in the way of it. Well, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Da, 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 da. Yep. 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 Okay. There's a motor on there, y'all. How about that? Yay. How far down will go through? That's fine. Alright. I have a motor. That's cool. I like it. Shit out of the way right here. It doesn't take very long to put this shit together. It's really just not much to it. Tip this thing back in so I get the blade on it. And the pulley. As well, yeah. I hope the bolt's in there. I think it is. I think I left the bolt in it. I'm pretty sure I left the bolt in it. Well, it's just sitting in, you know. That stupid guard's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the ass, I think, because one side of it's broke out. So you usually just sit it back, put it on the ground like that. Good to go. Yes, there's a bolt in here. Good deal. There's a keyway. Keyway is in it. You can put the belt on as you go. I'm gonna have to smack her up on there a little bit. A little tap, tap, taparoo. A little tappy, tap, tap, taparoo. Tap, tap, taparoo, boo-hoo. That's weird. It's more than I thought it was gonna be. What's up with that? Shit. It would be like I hit a brick wall somewhere. Why did I hit a brick wall somewhere? It's there. Gouge mark in the damn keyway. That's weird. Almost like this keyway's a little wider, maybe. I don't know. Not by much, I mean, but there's a little bit. I mean, it was driving it, but. That's weird. That's very strange. Maybe it needs to be cleaned out some. I mean, the shaft's clear. And you can't see shit because I got the damn camera not pointing in the right direction again because I'm a fucking retard. Alright, so this should be the last of this, I hope. After buying so many bolts, and it's been a minute since I messed with this thing. Except for yesterday, when I tried to put bolts in it and I got the wrong ones. That bolt for this crankshaft, and this motor's I think it's a Briggs. I'm pretty sure it's a Briggs. Anyway, where's that water coming from? That's weird. Anyway, water coming on there. Most of these bolts on these push mowers are like 3/8 by 3/8 by 1.5 thread pitch. They're fine thread. This one's not. This one is a stumpy little bastard. This little bastard is a 7/16 by 20. Oddest size I've ever seen. And it's not hard, it's not easy to find. Most parts stores don't have it. Home Depot had like one. And it's gotta be 1.5 inches long. And thank God it's going up in there. I bought, because the other one was, well, the other one wasn't too short. It's just that it was the wrong damn size because it was a 3/8. So I was like, I didn't know what the hell was going on. So, like any normal dipshit would do, I Googled it. And I was wrong. Because I went and bought 4 different bolts yesterday. I was like, well, I'll just buy, different lengths. Because I thought that the damn shaft was all the way up in there to mount this blade. Yeah, it wasn't. It was just the fact that I had the wrong size bolts. So keep that in your mind there. Why is that not wanting to sit on there? I had the pulley back off of it yesterday, and I mean, it was just an ordeal. And I didn't film any of it because it was really no point in it. I didn't get anywhere. I just smacked it around in this place. You know, wasn't no point in trying to film it yesterday because I didn't get anywhere. I didn't do anything besides cuss at it and get pissed off. So, wasn't no point in that. So, yeah. Now here we are. We're bolting it now, which is a good thing. I'm so glad for that because if it didn't work now, I was gonna light this POS on fire and call it a day, and then just this video would never come to fruition. Yeah. This may be one of the last videos I do, or the last really, just because I've been doing this shit for a long time. I got like my catalog's got like 200 or 300 different videos in it, and between shorts and videos and I put that boat video up and it did like 20 views. 20. You know what I'm saying? What the oh, and also if you ever run into a situation where you have this problem, you're going to have to drill out the adapter and this piece of the blade because they don't accept 7/16. It's made for 3/8. So you're gonna have to drill this out. It's not that big a deal. And the adapter's not even a whole piece. It's only like this far up in it, so you're right. So this works now after my handy dandy work here. Look at this contraption of bullshit. Do you know what though? It works. This cable acts so stupid, and I actually looked it up too because I don't like how it works. I thought it was kind of stupid. Put you down there, and hopefully when I zoom in on this thing, and all of them are like this. It's not just this. They all do the same shit. The shielding of the cable actually pulls. You know what I mean? Isn't that weird? That was kind of stupid. So essentially, we're ready to put some oil in this piece of shit. A little bit of gas in it, and see if she'll cheech. Alright, I pulled the carburetor off. I went through it after this torrential freaking downpour we had. Now the sun's coming back out. It's probably gonna be muggy as shit. I don't know. Let's see what happens. And it cuts off. Well, that's fantastic. Yeah, so that is a complete stupid restoration on a push mower that wasn't worth doing it on. I mean, you saw it was stripped to absolutely nothing. Yeah, see down there with the paint peeled up. I didn't have any clear coat to put on it, so that's what happens. Especially the aftermath out here. The sun's on now. It smells like bad gas in there. It's got good gas in it. Well, it's got 2-stroke in it, but it ain't true fuel. It's got that other, I don't know, some bullshit in it. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I don't know what's next, if there even be a next. So, I don't know. So let's see how it goes, I guess. But yeah, but if there isn't the next, we'll see you on the other side. So if there is a next, I'll see you next time. I just don't know yet. I don't know how it's going to go yet. So yeah, I would say like, comment, share, subscribe, but if if I don't put anything else out, there's no point in doing that, though, is there? So I don't know. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Take care of yourselves and stay true to yourself. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do, which kind of just leaves it open for you. You know what I mean. Get your push mower. Work on it for like a month or whatever, or don't.